So now we're going to apply the decal to the surface that we've just prepared. So we use a mixture of 10 or 20% alcohol to 90 to 80% water. This just allows us to apply the decal, but it not to be stuck down immediately when we first put it on. So what we want to do is we want to remove the vinyl from the backing, and then just apply, not too much, but just apply some decal fluid to the back of the vinyl. And then what we want to do now is we just want to place the sticker in the position that you want it to be in. So we want it to be in the middle. So we're going to have it as square as we can. Doesn't have to be perfect straight away. We can readjust it. And then we get our squeegee. And what we want to do is we want to work from the inside out and basically just apply a little bit of pressure just to push out the decal fluid from the center of the sticker. You'll see that it will come out a little bit. That's okay. Basically, we're just working any bubbles that you may have out. Only press in lightly because we don't want to damage the vinyl itself or the ink on top of the vinyl. Pretty much from there, that is how you apply a non-vinyl cut sticker.